Hello friends, welcome to the Synonyms Masterclass. Today we will learn 5 useful words and their better synonyms. Don't just memorize, listen carefully because I will also explain how and when to use them with the examples. Let's begin. The first word is tired. Instead of always saying I am tired, use better words. The first synonym is exhausted. Very tired. You are very tired, especially after hard work. You can use this word exhausted. For an example, I feel exhausted after working all day. The next one is sleepy. Tired in a way that makes you want to sleep. For an example, he felt sleepy after eating a big meal. The third one, drained. You feel tired not only physically but also mentally, like all your energy is gone. That time you use drained. For an example, he felt drained after the meeting. The next word is happy. Instead of saying happy, use these words. The first one is delighted. When you very pleased and happy, use this word. For an example, she was delighted with her birthday gift. You can also use thrilled when you feel extremely happy and excited. For an example, I was thrilled to meet my favorite actor. Another good word is cheerful. When you are happy and positive in mood, you can use cheerful. He is always cheerful, even on busy days. So, next time don't just say happy, use these words instead. The next word is angry. The first synonym is furious. Very angry. She was furious when she heard the bad news. And you can also use annoyed when slightly angry or irritated. For an example, he was annoyed by the loud noise. Then another word is upset. When you are angry and sad together, you can use upset. For an example, she felt upset about the unfair decision. So instead of angry, use these words based on the situations. And the fourth word is small. Don't say always small, it's very boring. So try these. Tiny. Very small. Look at this tiny kitten. So cute. The another word is little. Small in size, used in a friendly way. For an example, I love that little shop near my house. And the next one is petite. Small and delicate, particularly used for people. She is a petite woman with a big smile. So use these words. And the fifth word is smart. The first synonym is bright, means very intelligent. She is a bright student in her class. And you can use clever for quick at understanding things. Anyone is very fast understanding, you can use he gave a clever answer in the quiz. And the another one is sharp, quick minded and intelligent. She is sharp enough to solve the puzzles fast. So instead of smart, you can use these three words. So great job friends. These were 5 common words with 3 better synonyms. Each start using them in your daily conversations to sound more fluent. I will be back with episode 2 very soon. And please put your valuable comment. How is the video? How is the audio quality? what we need to improve this work, this slides format is okay for you, or we have to change. So give some comment to improve the video quality and content quality, so it will be help for creating more useful contents. So keep practicing and keep learning, friends.